Dan Francis here with another weekly buffer, and we have a lot of little topics to cover this week, but right off the top, something that is highly anticipated is that the new Cascade and Sentinel DAC code is now live. We've been talking about this new code set over the last few weeks and are really excited to finally share it with you and get feedback from actual customers using it in their home systems. We're going to start a thread over on the MSB forum, and we'd love to hear your feedback on how this update sounds and performs in different home settings. When we develop code here at MSB, we have a very limited test pool, so it's really helpful to get that feedback from customers in a wide variety of systems and applications. For the code update, we're still going to need you to go to the support page on the MSB Technology website, select your DAC, and follow the typical download and update procedures for an MSB product. Coming soon in the future, we will be supporting a renderer-based firmware updater. Now I'd like to touch on a couple production updates. After the Vienna show, we've been processing a lot of orders coming through MSB, and things are getting really backed up. Before the show started, we talked about reworking our production and machine shop to accommodate the new production volumes we're seeing. I'm spending my time right now reworking the machine shop layout. You can see here this new layout that pushes all of these smaller machines into the corner, putting the two VF2s next to each other, with the lathe tucked right next door. This really tight pattern is going to be a little bit more difficult to work around, but it's essential for increasing our production capacity of the machine shop. You'll now see that we have two horizontal grobes laid out in the machine shop. So we're going to go back to Grobe and verify that this placement does work based on the new machine build and make sure we won't run into any issues. We're using this layout to map out where the new concrete slab is going to go for the new machine installation. Now I'm going to put a request out there for some help. If you have experience with managing machine shop air systems, we're going to be reworking our air system for the machine shop and production lines, as we will need a much higher air capacity. But the system put together is quite tricky to build, and we're looking for feedback and advice on how to put together a system that is very robust and reliable in this environment. We're looking at air reservoirs, air filters, and having redundant air compressors in our machine shop. When it comes to air systems, there's so many options, and some real-world feedback would be very helpful. So please reach out or comment down below if you have that experience and would like to help out as we decide on the next equipment to buy for our machine shop. For the Palisade DAC, we've refined the last few details of the build. Chassis are already on the machine, and production is well underway getting those produced. With the high demand and so many orders right off the bat, we're really trying to hit the ground running with a full production so that we can ship initial orders quickly to customers and reduce the overall wait times. Speaking of wait times, the Sentinel DAC production has seen a lot of demand over the last few weeks. We've actually almost completely sold the Founders Edition run of the Sentinel DAC. That is the first 50 units we are building. There are a few remaining units in the Founders Edition, and if you are interested in getting one of those, please reach out to your dealer right away. Otherwise, Sentinel DAC orders will have to wait for the standard production units coming next year. All of these production problems stem from an overwhelming amount of support from customers and interest in our products. So this is not a complaint, and I want to say thank you for supporting MSB. And as an engineer, I'm very excited to start tackling these issues and creating a company that is able to provide the highest quality product in an efficient manufacturing environment. All of these growing pains will make us a better company and will make better products for everyone. It's going to be a very busy summer for us, and we're looking forward to the challenge. Like and subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date as we overcome these production challenges over the next few months and increase MSB's production capacity to meet the new demand we have. Thanks for watching today, and we'll catch you in the next video.